Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing a deep tissue massage gun from Athphy. Let's get to it. Alright, so first I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what the contents look like inside. You could say this is like a partial unboxing. Oh, it comes with its own case. Oh, that is really nice. Look at this. Very nice. It is actually nice. All right, let's see what we got. Open it up. I like this little logo in front, the Athphy logo. I like it. It's a nice touch. Let's see. Alrighty. This must be the instruction manual. I'm gonna read that in a minute to give you guys a proper review, but right now we're just gonna do a quick overlook. This must be the gun. Wow, actually it's very nice looking, all futuristic. Look at the texture on the handle. I like that. And the breathing holes for the motor, I'm assuming, are right here. I'm assuming that's where it breathes. We got the on-off button on the bottom. Let's do a quick check. Oh, what we got? And it came charged halfway. It came halfway through charge, which is not bad actually. That it actually came charged. I believe when I received this product, it said that it has 6 different settings between 1500 RPMs to 3200 RPMs. You got 6 different settings. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you press the little power button right here. So we got here. You can choose the speeds. That's pretty cool. There we go. But you can lower the speeds. And it shuts it off. All 6. And here's the battery meter. And these are the RPMs. It measures them up. That's amazing. All right, let's see what else we got. We have here, okay, we got the AC adapter to charge it. Standard American outlet. And we have here the ends. This looks like a deep tissue massager. And so is this one. But this one seems to have a softer tip. This one. So it's similar to this one, but this one has a softer tip. I'm gonna try them all. And this one looks like to be like a major area massager. Oh, this must be for the neck. I gotta try that out. Nice. And we have here, oh, this is another deep tissue massager to get really into some muscles. And this looks like to be the general massager. This is for like almost everything, I'm assuming. It's got a nice round shape and texture, actually, as a matter of fact. All right, so let me go ahead and put it all together and see how this works out. All right, so before I went ahead to put it together, I looked at the manual and it's quite self-explanatory. It is not a complicated machine, pretty straightforward. Let's just start with the basic one, this one. Let's see. I believe it goes inside like so. Yep. It is on, absolutely. All right, let's see how this functions. Here we go. I'm gonna put it on number 3. Number 3 sounds good. Let's see. It tickles. That is for certain. Yeah, that does it. I usually tend to have a lot of tension in my shoulders, and this is quite doing. I apologize if I make some weird faces. It's almost inevitable. Oh heavens, this is not bad. I like that one. And it's got like a lot of torque. You put a little bit of pressure on it, you feel your entire body almost shaking. That's good stuff. All right, let me go ahead and try a different one. So this one got me curious. The one with the soft tip, I want to see how this one functions. Because this is more like a deep tissue. You really want to get into small parts, small muscles and tendons. Let's see how this goes. That tickles. I mean, it's doing the job, but at the same time, it tickles a bit. Wow, that really gets in there. That's good. I like that. I want to try the one that looks like this. This one looks like more like a softer, you know, if you're kind of sensitive, you know, to massagers. Having like a wide spread space like this kind of evens out the vibration. I want to try that. Let's see, should I put it like this? Yeah, I should put it like this. All right, I'm gonna put it vertically. Let's see. Oh, this one you gotta be a little bit gentle with it because it's got a hard surface. I tried to put pressure in it and it's like, no. This one you just lay on top and there we go. This one you don't push down with. That is cool. That is cool. Yep. I am liking this very much. Ah, here we go. All right. There's another one that I want to try. This is another deep tissue massager. This one will be similar to this, only with a harder surface. This will be if you got a muscle that's really tense and you have to need to loosen it up. This will do it. And this one, according to this, is for the spine, like for the two muscles that run from the bottom of the spine all the way up. Because I looked at the manual, that's what it said. Let me see how I actually. Can I reach behind me? Let's see. Yes, I can reach behind me. Ooh. Yep, it does it exactly. Right at the spine. See if you guys can see it. Right through here. Ooh, that's nice. That is quite nice. I gotta say, it is built well. It is of good quality. It looks of professional grade, as a matter of fact. I mean, I am quite impressed with this massage gun. This is great. So as for me, as Athphy goes, they're making a pretty good product. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative. This massager is quite well made, well built, quite potent and powerful. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.